Hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial. And today we're diving into Lovable.dev. So it's an AI app builder that lets you create full stack web apps with just using natural language prompts. So no complex coding needed and no drag and drop limitations. Just drop what you want and Lovable builds it out. So let's work it out step by step. So step one, you need to access Lovable.dev. So you can easily sign in on Lovable.dev. Just search it up and you can just use your Google account or GitHub to save your projects. And as I suggest you do, because you do need to save your project because they're pretty cool. And also, I'm gonna teach you writing prompts right here. So in the main info box, you can type a prompt like this: build a job with search filters, user account, and dashboard for employers. You can also attach images or apps if you want, like specific if they want to use specific logo or your picture. You can also add like a music player, whether dashboard, note taking app, or stuff like that. And you can also change here if you want it public or private. But if you want it on private, you do need to get the premium plans. So you're just gonna click on this and Lovable starts building the app immediately. So after you hit generate app, Lovable starts building the core of your project. It gives you, structured code base with front end components, API routes and stuff like that, and also database schema. So it's usually with Supabase or similar backend, and authentication and routing setup. You can even see, previous and tweak part as you go. So even as it's making the code right here, we can tweak it like right now. Like we can just ask like what we want, and you can also attach like earlier like any pictures or designs that you want. You can also edit on the go. So select or to edit or ask Lovable to modify. So it's pretty cool. You also have chat here, so you can chat without making edits in your project. So we can just ask them like is it possible to have multiple pages on this app. So we can just chat them right here. But right now it's like working, so we can really chat it. So we're just gonna wait for a little bit because we're building the application right now. But if we can, we're gonna go to home again. So we're gonna go to Lovable again right here. And in the meantime, we're gonna view some of these examples right here. So we do have from the community here. So we do have AI integration. So this is pretty cool. This is made by the AI itself. So this is not made from coding, more on so someone like produced this by using lovable.dev. So it's pretty cool web page here. So you do have your dashboard here, your main core website here, and some information. So it's pretty cool. It looks very nice. So this happened it was possible because you can upload your own images. So I guess he uploaded his own images here, and Lovable itself created these sections and tiles for them. So it's pretty cool. So that's one of the good things about Lovable that dev is that you have the ability to input your own images here and let the AI do the work. So you do have like AI integration here. So it's a character forge image, so image to video. This is a really good UI. So you can also view a lot of models here. So never mind, it's just a front end, so that's pretty cool. Still pretty cool also. All of this is clickable, but it's not finished yet because it is made for UI purposes. It's maybe not finished yet, but that's pretty cool. So see here, it's not really finished, so our app is not finished yet. So we're just gonna keep talking here and um find some really good apps here. So we have, oh, this looks cool. We have Ventress Harmony, so RNG Ventress. So this is pretty cool. This thesis, I guess, or never. I think it's an art gallery. All right, so we're back. So I kind of fast forward a little bit because it took a lot, like 4 minutes more to generate the app itself. So let's see here, we generated the app here of the dashboard thing. So we do have a lot of stuff here, so it's pretty cool. You can also have a lot of, it has a lot of pages, so you can like click here. I see here, that's pretty cool. You can apply now, save job and stuff like that. You have jobs for employers, a lot of website here. You can also have, like the subscription tier here, so it's pretty cool. So this is all made by like a 2 sentence description of what I want, and it provided it for me. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty amazing. Like it's pretty cool. Like you also have FAQ. So we don't have FAQ yet, but this is pretty cool, guys. So, so yeah, guys. So that's how you can preview the app here. So it has a built-in IDE, so you can see the front code. If you're interested in the front code, so you can look at it. So here's the front code right here. If you're a developer, you can change stuff here or improve things. So or you can just copy paste it into your file. So that's an option too. So some key features of Lovable.dev is that it also has natural app language creation, super base integration for authentication and database, also built-in IDE, one-click deployment, prompt history for versioning, GitHub integration, and stuff like that. Also, use cases is that Lovable is great for startup MVPs, internal tools, dashboards, CRMs, SaaS, prototypes, e-commerce, and more. Now, Lovable offers a free tier to get started and paid plans if you want more features like private GitHub repos and also Steam collaboration or advanced integration. You can only pay when you're ready to scale. So, my conclusion here is that Lovable is pretty good. So, Lovable, that might be the easiest way to build, deploy real apps in 2025. No setup, no drag and drop gimmicks, just prompt and go. If you're looking to turn ideas into production app fast, that is definitely worth checking out. If you found this helpful, guys, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments below which app you're building using Lovable. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.